crap in here. Oh, shit, raining on me. Yeah, see if we can get this bleed off of here. Oh. Yeah. What size that is. That's way too big. That's still too big. Ah, damn it. It's gonna be a small one, pretty much. That's kind of close. That one's close. Let's see what else we got here. Sizes. Second or something like that. Shit. Let's go with this one. Now, I don't know if this is... Well, we're going to try it. We'll just see what happens here. First, let's see what happens here. Yes. All right, good. Now, simple. It is not reverse thread. I didn't think it was. I wasn't sure. I suppose I could have looked that up, but I didn't. Oh, this looks like a mulching blade. See, it's got a longer blade on it. Normally, they only come out to here. So this would technically be a mulching blade, because the blade comes all the way out. So I don't know where's the plug at. Must be right here. Yeah, that's where the plug was to drain it, which I didn't use. And there's the stain on the floor where I dumped it all around. Okay. So we'll go and we'll just sharpen that. I got a grinder in here. It's not a good grinder, but usually I'd use like a flap disc, but I don't have any up here with me, so we'll just have to do with how. Oh, let's see. Those. What am I missing? Oh, battery. I need the battery. Stupid. And you guys don't. No. Yeah, I should probably have this flipped over. That worked better, I think. So the way, I have no idea if you guys are looking over. I can't tell. Well, we'll go with that, I guess. Put an edge on this guy. Let's be throwing sparks. Doesn't need to be razor sharp, just sharp enough. It's getting better. Keep clicking that damn button on there. No, sorry. Yeah, that's typically gonna be sharp. Yeah, that should be good. Probably don't need to balance this. I mean, I have a sort of have a balancing tool, but it's not that good. Thought it was up there. Oh, I think it's in here. It's one of these doors, I think. Yeah, I'm in. Ah, fuck it. I ain't going for that. Oh, let me just put it up here. No stupid of me. I just screw something there. Something's bad. Oh, I'll have to balance this thing is. Nah, that's fine. It's a little bit. It's not gonna matter. Put some stuff on that bolt. Take the glasses off. Let's see if I can set this guy up. I should just pause. No problem. Blow this crap out of the way. Some never sees on this guy. Probably doesn't need it, but I'll do it anyway. So we're just gonna make sure that these little things go that way. And did I put the bolt back on, right? That's probably like that, because it's all rusty on that side. Come on. Okay. Oh shit, I took that battery out of there. We're gonna do the grinders. There's the. Damn it. What do I do? What am I doing? Where do the grinder? Oh. Stupid of me. Let me pause it for a minute. Wait. That should be good. Well, that's correct. Everything on my way. Let's see that. I'm not getting gas. I would test it, but I'm sure it'll work. I don't see why it wouldn't. But, right, good. One thing done. Oh. Look at that, we didn't even make a big mess. Okay. All good. I think I'm going to paint this. I might have to take the... I could cover up the motor and spray it. I think I'll just use the old John Deere paint. Maybe paint this. But I don't know. We'll see. I say a lot of things that I'm going to do, and I never do them. So, we're going to see you guys later.